Hi everyone, Cyndi here with Grome Sewing Machine Company in San Antonio, Texas and Universal City, Texas. So today is our Foot Friday Frenzy and I have a good foot for you. So today we are going to talk about the stitch in the ditch foot. So this foot is used for quilting, or if you've got a seam and you're trying to stitch down the middle and you need something to help guide you down that seam. So the foot we have is called a ditch quilting foot. Some companies call it something else, but it's a wonderful foot if you have trouble sewing straight or maybe your seam's a little wonky. At least having this foot with a guide will help you sew right down those seams. So follow me to the sewing machine and let me show you how easy this is to use. Okay, so here we are at the sewing machine. And I've got my stitch in the ditch foot on. If you look here closely, you're going to see that there's a little rod or a little guide that sticks out underneath the foot, right? So when you put this on your machine, you're going to take this guide and you want to make sure that that guide is right up along your seam line. And then all you do is just start sewing and you're going to keep that guide just right there on that seam. And you're stitching in the ditch. And that is how simple it is to use this foot. Let me do a little something here. Now we're going to come over to the next piece. And I'm keeping my guide right up against it. We're done. See how nice that is? All right, everybody, I hope that you enjoyed this video and that now you know about one more foot that's out there to make your sewing and quilting easier. So what I need you to do is I need you to like us on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on that little notification button so that you will be the next person to find out when we have a new video out for you. So the other thing I'd like you to do is if there's a foot that you want to see, make sure and put it in the comments below. We'll take a look at it and put it out on the video for you. So until next time, everybody, stay safe, stay healthy, and we'll see you soon.